expanding and contracting your selections. This is quite a useful little thing. It's not going to blow anyone's mind by any stretch of the imagination, but it is something that I have noticed quite a few people have asked me in the studio, so I thought it'd be good to bring it up with you guys as well. So we've got a nice little image here of some man in front of a blue circle. I've added in another layer here, so if you just right click on there, on this layer, right click and go select pixels. That's selected the pixels from that circle. So we've got this circle here. Let's say we like this circle, but we want it to be, maybe we've gone a little bit too over the edge there. You go select, modify, expand. You go -5 pixels. 5 pixels. Go OK. It's expanded the selection. I tell you what, I'll do a better one for you. Expand. Let's go 25 pixels so you can see it a bit clearer. You can see the selection has jumped. It's quite useful. It's helped me a lot, and it's something that I get asked all the time, as in, I've made this selection, now I want to just select that shape but slightly bigger or slightly smaller. So select, modify, contract does the same thing, just in the reverse. So 25 pixels, it's gone inwards a little bit. It's a nifty little thing. I didn't know it was there till recently. So just make your selection. Select, modify, either expand or contract. I'll make the selection bigger.